Corpus Christi serenading its travelers at the airport this holiday season. Listen to this. Oh, you gotta love that, huh? The annual Sounds of the Season concert series kicking off at the Corpus Christi International Airport today. It features performances by different local musicians. According to airport officials, the goal is to provide a relaxed atmosphere and reduce the stress that comes with traveling during the holiday season.
The most common reaction I get is the calmness or the smoothness that they've gotten when they've come off of the airplane, whether they've experienced hustle and bustle or stress, just with traveling in general, just me playing, giving them a sense of calm. I think that's just a general response I get when they come by.
Oh man, that sounds so good, doesn't it? The airport will have live music until December 30th. Good stuff.